I got my life right, and so
And you prefix Map City. Yo, kaichi story todo nibudza nga ex yanga funa nani wenda ndichimutema nchiri aringa rutani ndoplana umumara nodisa bana mutani eish mara zwithu zwa bar okay tshetshelesani back in high school yonera chomufunana and we were there for each other musi richitotana men hausina duva linobara ubonana kametric rachibara rote chipinga chote misi yote richibara na usiku hote rapasa na babebi vashu batakara vote plano ya basiti mara mdini ambana saka basari ndo waplaya mara huna zezwa naka zezwa mbaisa nzo msifuni ya chiri uko paka uko yoje na pito niende more uko tuwa arudo di fara zwabu dindi songo chua a goodbye kiss after that atakuwa since kuna nani ava city zvitu zvache sharp man house inadzika kati hachimidza baby sometimes ari sweet and that was a sign to show urifuni hachiti zvitu zodokake things went wrong musifuni achijoina group where she don't belong bagana vari vatomupa auti ya strong inospana avikabe kamne wazi song funi ashanduka ava mutu wazi party achiyakadzi besh achibofuna minati muroho achiisa ende vele asatati amloka ka Facebook na WhatsApp research chatting Funi started dating this guy wa Nigeria who last Friday oda amujia amunisa na zipia odo kangwa amudia na sinondiko amba hufifuni orisia Hedando neda cause nako bupepo manandoni Ajena kode noko bakafuni Daifara ndari mea vada hafi asifuni Ari oyo ndi prefix na andaria Mdena soko pumura ndafa akorira Ari kamnefuni oro bahachachira Ndari wai hakantela ndafa nduni keswila Ndaswika hapuni ndichikoko nyabafua Vandu melisa oro uvo dichua Mato ashanduka ende nako vetsa tua Ndabata rucheza barira bashitakuwa Vari wananga funa na nini chia gai Nozi guda gai so fune sama bai Nidowela hani ba mafora nisadai Hone oyo una osvita hondi wa gai
I got my life right and so
And by the way, and after 2 months, musifone no bulungi wane meafuni bafaranga bulwadzi ambiru. But then apparently, bulwadzi ambodi bara, you know. And by the way, munawa burafuna nani yangu wanala. Ngauri munawa burafuna nani, ndi munawa wachisisa na miasina nani at the other side.